All right, folks, here we go. Wednesday morning, we just got that big inflation data that we've been talking about. CPI just came out. The number just hit the wire. The year over year headline figure for inflation was 7%, pretty much bang on with what expectations on the street were. The month over month increase was 0.5% versus the 0.4% that they were forecasting, so a bit hotter than expected. But all in all, the number still isn't quite as hot as some of the analysts on the street were potentially forecasting. So maybe a good thing. We'll see. What impact is it having on the market right now? Not much to speak of. Markets were trading higher in the pre-market to begin with. Right now, we've got the Dow Jones, S&P, and NASDAQ all in the green. We've got oil trading up by about 1%, just shy of $82 a barrel. Big moves in oil over the past couple of days, and we're seeing a bit of dollar strength on the back of this news. So again, big number. It's going to take a little bit. I would imagine that traders are going to start to process this once we get the market open here in about an hour. We'll see how things shake out. Could create some volatility for today and some intraday price action to trade. Now, we're not out of the woods yet. We've got another big inflation number due out tomorrow with the producer price index, those wholesale figures, as well as earnings season kicking off. So we got a lot of trading left in the week to do. Let's go get some today. Trade some of that price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.